Good morning, my wifey. It's Sunday. We're looking for seashells today. It's a bit cloudy, as you can see. And then we have a braai later. And up I leave. It's cold, yeah? It's a little bit cold today. Let's see what we can find. Look how pretty it is, eh? Where are we, Mateo? Mateo, where are we now?
Nowhere.
Look here, look, what's the name? Say the name of the place.
Papa Grappa.
Yeah. Gin Farm, what is this? Gin Farm. Hello, my baby. It's so beautiful here. Hey yo, hey yo!
Look what I found.
Hey yo! Hey, what is that actually?
I don't know. We used to have them in...
This is hand painted.
We used to have them in South Africa.
Really? It's hand painted.
We make them all inside. This guy's making miniature ones as well.
There's no chocolate.
Oh, they're up the road, eh?
Yeah!
Chocolate.
We are beach. And this guy, Uncle, you know Uncle Steven?
Yeah. This guy, Uncle Steven.
He make all the animal noises you ask him to make.
Really?
Yeah.
Make an animal noise for the camera. The faces he pulls. Look at this small town. Hey?
Small town.
Small town. Look how pretty it is. Oh my word. How love you? Mwah.
Don't break your neck or your back.
Gotcha. Let's go.
Hello, Mom. Mom, I'm taller and bigger than ever.
Mateo, say it to the camera.
Hello.
How's the weather up there?
Very bad.
Why is it bad?
Not bad.
Cloudy.
Ugly.
Here's a chocolate factory
Look what I
place.
broke.
Look at all the chocolate. Some of these look fake, look here, right? These look fake.
No, this looks fake. This looks fake. This looks fake. No, look here. I'm getting this. Yeah, look, I'm getting this toffee.
They look fake.
No, this is real, but this. No way.
They're so big. So fake.
356 rand and
4,000. Show me. How do you put it on? How do you put it on?
It is chocolate.
That's not chocolate.
That is so chocolate.
This is not chocolate, but it's cool though. This is actually chocolate.
It's chocolate.
It's been like 4
Chocolate.
4 years.
Chocolate. Let's stop that. I just want to put my tongue there.
Oh, stop. This is a cute little thing.
A little bit higher. 1, 2, 3.
Lunis! Lunis, come show the camera. No. Show them your flowers. No, here. Lunis! Come here. Are you ready, lovey?
Guys, let me show you my sexy wife. Come, baby. Ooh.
I'm joking.
You hot, baby?
You're the hottie. Sorry. It's okay. Huh? Oh god, sorry, love. Some crazy ass. Huh? Key? So. Lovey. We're going back. It was the last
Still gonna
time.
help us now after we gave him money.
I know. We're gonna go back now.
Bye, Cape Town, man.
But this is by Kapstad.
Bye, Cape Town.
Man.
Bye, Kaapstad.
No, I'm gonna cry. We're gonna go back to our place, shower, and then we're gonna meet James' dad, for something to eat, and then we're gonna go off to the airport. Baby, we going? Are you sad?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Waiting for the flight. We just got home. We're about to land.